Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today what I'm gonna do is something that really is more for more advanced um, uh, growers of succulents. I'm gonna take this Christmas mug, which you've seen me use before if you follow my videos, and I am going to plant these succulents into here. And of course, I did not modify this mug in any way, shape, or form. It's still, but I did put some. I still have some fish gravel, which I was gonna use for a terrarium until I found out there's too much mineral content in it, and the gravel. And so I'm using the fish gravel as a as a as a drainage layer. Now, now, if you're new to plants, I would not, unless it's a specific kind of plant. Let's say like a mangrove or something that loves water. I would not recommend using a container with no drainage holes because the purpose of a drainage holes, it gets rid of the excess water. That's what what the whole purpose of drainage holes are for. Since these plants are succulents, I'm probably gonna use a little bit less water just to be on the safe side. So that way I'm gonna wait a while until the soil is bone dry. So that way I do not overwater the plants, because succulents do not like a whole lot of water. And if these were lithops, they would want even less water. And I'm putting perlite in here just so that way it can absorb water a lot faster away from the roots of the plants. Cacti succulent mix would be very beneficial here. And I myself am new at this, so a lot of advanced succulent growers might call me crazy for doing this. I'm gonna see if I can put all three succulents into here. Let's see, this one is called Golden Septum. I have no idea what this succulent is. looks like I'm not going to have any room for the third one. But I have an idea of what to do with the third one. I'm going to have to water that one since the soil's bone dry. And with this one here, I can put this small one here where the other succulent was. Doesn't look like you're rooting. Ooh. This one here is starting to produce a root. Time for some watering. Come on. Let's see if you'll start to root. And since you're bone dry, okay. I don't want to water this too much, considering there's no drainage hole in this snowman mug. Okay, if you happen to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.